Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the all new Oppo A60. And guys, this is a new budget phone from Oppo, and this phone is costing around only 55,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 SoC with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB of internal storage. On the front we have 6.67-inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, which is a really disappointing thing in this price range. Also, and the color I have is a rebel blue color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. And yes, at this phone it is really overpriced. Also, we have 50 megapixel dual cameras on the back. We also have 45-watt super fast charging, which is a nice thing I would say, which means that the cameras as well as the processor it is not really good on this phone. I don't know why we have a 720p IPS LCD in this phone in this price range. Let me remove the plastic first. And this one also available in other colors. And now let's open this box, and here is our Oppo A60. Now let's start off from this box again, and these are the main highlighting feature about the A60. Now let's start off from this wrapper, and as you can see, here is the blue color looks like. On the back we have a glossy finish, although the back is made up of plastic, and the frame also it is made up of plastic. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed on the front. Let's see what else we get. Other than the phone, we have a silicone case, which is a nice thing. Also we have a quick start guide as well as a safety guide, and here is our shim ejection tool, and here is our charger. And guys, and this is a 45-watt super fast charger. Also we have our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable, which is also really good. No hand free inside the box. And now let's put all these things is to the side. Let's look at the Oppo A60. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side we have our SIM tray. And now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot. Yes, it is, so you can use one micro SD card with the two nano SIMs at the same time. Also inside the SIM tray I don't see a rubber gasket, which is really bad. We should have IP54 rating on this phone. So on the top we don't have another microphone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. We don't have in-display fingerprint scanner like we have on some phones in this price range. Also on the back we have dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor with LED flash. Again we have a vertical shape camera layout, and overall I have to say yes, I'm really liking the design language of the Oppo A60. This phone looks really comfortable in the hand as well, although we have 5000 mAh battery size. And this phone has a really bad 6.67-inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. Although we have a punch hole on the top and the bottom chain, even the side bezels, it is really big. And now let's quickly start up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Oppo A60. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this one has a IPS LCD display. Now let's see the max brightness, and the display I would say it is not really bright like we have on some phones in this price range that has a 120Hz AMOLED display like we have on the Vivo Y100. And here is the notification panel looks like. And now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. And this phone is running on Android 14, which is a good thing. Also we have Oppo ColorOS version 14. We have a 256 GB of internal storage out of only 21.6 GB it is already used. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This one has a fingerprint scanner on the side. And we also have hot apps and hot games, which is a really disappointing thing again. And let's look at the camera. Again, this one has a dual cameras on the back. So here's the video mode. Let's see video recording size, and the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps. And here's the pro mode. Here's the portrait mode. In the mode section, here's our night mode, and we also have a slow motion, which is a good thing. And here's our dual view video mode, which uses the front camera at the same time. And also look at the front facing camera, and this one only has a 8 megapixel selfie camera, which looks like this. As you can see in the front facing camera, it is also really weak on this phone, although the back camera it is I would say really average. And the front camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps. Here is the portrait mode, and here is the night mode also available with the front facing camera. Now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 45 watt super fast charging, and combined with the Snapdragon 680, this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And that's about it. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo A60. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.